Controlness. I mean, they have to tell you about your nose big and how your head big. And which part your up. Now they have for that. But me notice if a man mother fast is your find the address. And then reach a station and get locked up. Well, my name Nigel not over. I live at Dunsany in Hatfield, Mandeville, Manchester. Me want to work. Me have 5 subjects. Me have got maritime pre-college. Me have business studies and data incorporation. Me want to work. Can you find me and make me get a work, sir? We fit to my, we suitable to my qualification. The maths and the English. If you check me, me show you them. I better say you're not going to find me, and I better say this not going to go viral. But make me tell you if you suck your mother, so fast you go viral. How fast you no find me? It's a work me want. Me suit on 26. I mean I want to live like Croft.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your family and friends, and browse this channel for more gossip and drama from the Caribbean.